Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Don't look at me that way. No, 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 no. You trace my outline like I'm something you can claim. Pretty face, pretty promises, you don't know my story. You talk like you see everything, but you don't see me. If I'm just decoration, that's all you'll ever be. I'm more than what your hungry eyes can take. If all you want is surface, boy, that's your big mistake. Am I just a body to you? Body to you, body to you. May as well look for a synthetic heart. A synthetic heart, yeah. A synthetic heart. Mine won't be for someone tearing real love apart. Go find your synthetic heart. Go find your synthetic heart. Not mine, not mine. You act like shining something I owe you to prove, but my worth never lived in the shape of my view. If you want a puppet, find someone else to pose. I'm the girl with quiet charge running under her pole. I'm done being pretty in the way you define it. If you can't see your mind, then nothing here was ever mine. Am I just a body to you? Body to you, body to you, body to you. Then you may as well look for a synthetic heart. A synthetic heart, yeah. A synthetic heart. Mine won't be for someone tearing real love apart. If all you want is surface, baby, we're worlds apart.